Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to fix secure folder is not opening in Samsung Galaxy A25. If you're using Galaxy A25 and you're facing the issue that your secure folder is not opening, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to just simply go to your settings app, scroll down, go to software update, and you just have to make sure that your software is completely up to date. You might have any pending software update here. If you find this site updates your software, after updating software, go back and go to apps here. Click on this star icon, enable this to your system apps, click OK. Go to search and just search for secure folder. You might get secure folder here. Click on it. Scroll down, go to storage, click on clear cache. After clearing cache, just go back, click on force stop, click OK. Now once you have forcefully stopped your secure folder, I recommend you how to make a restart. Just scroll down, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart icon again to have a restart with your phone. And once your phone has been restarted, it will fix if there will be any software glitch or any technical issue. So it might have been fixed in this app, and after doing this, you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.